Hi everyone, it's me again, Anchisa from Ling app, and today's topic will be the huge different way to say I and you in Thai. Although there is a great range of pronouns, they are actually used quite sparingly and often omit unless it's absolutely necessary to convey the meaning. For example, to say where are you going in Thai, it's just ไปไหน ไปไหน literally mean go where, so no pronoun necessary. But anyway, to know some pronouns, you can get perfectly fine almost any situation you are likely to come across by knowing only ฉัน ผม and ดิฉัน But as a person who learning language, I think the more you know, the better you can have a conversation in that particular language. So I will start with the first one, ฉัน ฉัน This is most common word used by women and can be used in any situation that's not especially formal. Men can use ฉัน also, but it's much less common and is only used very informally. In Thai, love songs sung by men, for instance, they always use ฉัน to refer to themselves, but they don't really use it in their daily life. The next one, ผม ผม That is the normal word for I, me, used by men, which can safely be used at pretty much any time talking to anybody. When talking to friends, though, a less formal word is likely to be used in this. And next word, P. P. What's special about this word is you can refer both to you or I. And it literally meaning older brother, sister. This is quite a common word that can be used for I when you're speaking to someone younger than you, or to refer yourself when you are older than someone you are talking to. And the next word, Nong, Nong. This is the same case with P, but to refer to younger or brother, sister, to call someone that younger than you, or to refer yourselves when you're talking to the people older than you. Next one, เรา เรา Confusingly, this is the normal word for we, us, but it is also used by both men and women as an informal word for I and me too. And the last one for I is go, go. It is sometimes used by Thais when talking to the close friends. In almost any other context, even a husband and wife conversations, it is offensive and only used as an insult to the listener. As a foreigner, you are better off avoiding it altogether when used. It almost always combined with มึง which is a similarity offensive word for you. So be careful, guys. And that's all the pronouns, the main pronouns that I've listed. There is not a definitive list of words. Some section of society, for example, royalty or the military, have their own word that only they use, and family relationship terms are also often used as pronouns. But the words I've said above is also includes most of the main ones. And let's move on to the word you. The first one, คุณ คุณ Khun is polite and very common word meaning you, which is appropriate for most everyday situations you will come across. It also doubles as the title put in front of people's names to be polite. For example, if you name สมชาย Mr. สมชาย would be known in Thai as คุณสมชาย คุณสมชาย Next one, เธอ เธอ Thơ is more informal word for you that can be used with friends or people you know well. And this can be referred to for both male and female. Next one, ท่าน 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 is a very respectful word that you only use when you're talking to monks or other as similarity high level in Thai society. And yes, that would be all for today's topics. I hope you guys have a great time learning with me. And before you leave, please also like and subscribe for our channel so you can have more fun lesson with us. And have a nice weekend, guys. Bye-bye.